Module 4 in education technology paper. Okay, so that is introduction to research. That is the name of the topic. The name of the module, that is introduction to research. That means we are just introduced the concept of research in a syllabus, in a paper. Just you people are you being introduced by this concept of research. Okay, it's a very beautiful concept, beautiful topic that I hope all of you may have the chances to go through this areas in future. Okay, first of all, before dealing with the higher end concept, we need to think what is research, the meaning of research. Okay, so while we are considering the concept of research in the form of noun, and that is the systematic investigation into and study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. That means in the concept of, in the aspects of research as a noun, that is, it is a work that we are doing based on certain systematic investigation, and we are studying, we did some studies on certain topics, and we reach a certain conclusions. That altogether work we can call as a research work, is it? So in the form of a noun, we can say the systematic investigation into and study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. Okay, then in the name of in the form of a verb, we can say investigate systematically, or it is a systematic investigation. That means she is doing a research on it. That means she is doing some systematic investigation on that topic. Beyond that, research is a work that we can consider as a noun. Okay, researching it again and again means research. We are searching it again and again. So we will for finding new concepts. So research is defined as human activity based on intellectual applications in the investigation of matter. We are for gaining some new knowledge, we are doing some research. We are searching again and again. We are investigating something to gain something new idea. Okay. So we can think about the need and significance of research. What is the need of the research? What is the significance of the research? What actually, why we need research? Do this concept of research is that much important for our life? Such a way we need to think. First of all, it purifies the working and lives of individuals. While doing some research work, we will find new areas of areas to be explored. We will find new areas of knowledge. We will get new ideas to develop our life. Then it primarily focus upon improving quality and is a search for knowledge. Definitely, if we acquiring knowledge means we are improving our life. So it shows how to make provision of solutions to problems in a scientific and methodological manner. We know while doing research, they not only giving new ideas, they give some solutions for some problems that we are already facing. That means if we can do some research for investigating solution for a problem too. Okay, it is a systematic effort to acquire new knowledge in all disciplines. We know research is the main thing which add new knowledge to a stream. That means it is a necessary and sufficient part of any discipline. Without research, we will stay in the old barbarian systems. Okay, if you reach in this level, this is only because of the work of because of the help of the research only. Each and every moment we are doing research, actually intentionally or non-intentionally, we are the part of the research is a lifestyle, actually. Then research also develop and evaluate methods that test concepts, practice and theories. Research also develop and evaluate methods that already existing in the world. It always test the concept that is, or theories that is already existing. based on the current scenario. If anything, any previous theories are not accepting, not